day everyone, my name is Jamelin Timario. Now I am making a reflection paper. The rule of Internetwork Operating System, or IOS. Every time fast as many years, when network would be involved as grown to develop, then simplify does exist. Imagine the time when all of the hardware for which we were responsible to control as generally under lock and key in a central computing facilities and away from tickling and middling hands of those picky users. Even though if the users did manage to get their hands on a terminal, chances were nothing bad happened to simplify because the system themselves were too dumb, too as complicated and confusing for it. When time goes by, technology has been improving. An example of the Cisco iOS Internetwork Operating System company made a system that can give a set to make or break companies' fortunes. Today's global economy. In computer, internetwork are the electronic passes upon which the informations travel by the unity and the world to create new and better ways of doing business. To show the Internetwork Operating System control are like computers or even cell phones. What is the role of the Internetwork Operating System in this our modern technology now? The earliest computers were mainframes that lacked any form of operating system. Each user had sole use of machine for a scheduled period of time, would arrive at the computers with program and data, often a punch card and magnet or paper tape. The program will be loaded into the machine, and the machine would be set to work until the program completed or crashed. Programs could be generally by debugged via control panel, using toggle switches and panel lights. A system software is a component that external to the operating system kernel. If the process is used to refer to the operating system itself, is redundant because an operating system is software. It must refer to an auxiliary component of the operating system in contrast to an application. According to Cisco Internetwork Operating System, just a PC have operating system and LAN have network operating system. It is Cisco's belief that Internetwork need their own operating system. Cisco's goal was to create an operating system that could evolve as the network evolved iOS, support changes and migrations through its ability to integrate all evolving classes of network platforms, including routers, ATM switches, LAN and WAN, switches, file service, and intelligent hubs, personal computers, and other device and operating system. Software that runs on Cisco's router and switches, comprising the majority of Internet. iOS was first developed by William Yeager at Stanford University Knowledge System Laboratory. Yeager licensed the code to Cisco in 1987. iOS brought together a comprehensive collection of routing, a switching internetwork and telecommunications functionally running on top of full-fledged multitasking operating system. iOS spans the core network, workgroups, remote access, and IBM Internet working. It is support a formal and de facto or a reality standard interface, including major network protocols such as IP, IPX, NetBio, SNA, and Apple Talk. iOS provide for Internetwork service. Routing service are located optimal paths using adapted routing technique that reduce costs by using Internetwork. Bonded efficiently. Also support a multi-layer switchings and virtual LANs. Once optimization service support all one service, including circuit switch and packet switches service. Management and security service. iOS provides that an array of network management and security features, including the configuration service, monitoring and diagnostics, encryptions, authentications, accounting, and logging. Equability service. iOS addresses key that avoiding concessions, overcoming protocols, limitations, and overpassing obstacles that cause bottlenecks. Therefore, the role of Internetwork operating system is very important. Every device, like in the computer or even Android phone, because according to the Cisco of the iOS is an operating system used on devices such as routers and switches. Cisco or iOS is enabled data communications between network nodes in addition to routing and switching. iOS offers dozens of additional services that administration can use to improve the performance and security of network. Traffic over the last decade, our proven technology and wide range of a cable solution have enabled us to set a piece of Internetwork industry. More than anything else, Cisco owes its leadership position and Cisco's unique and robust Internetwork operating system or iOS. Cisco is a value-added software that resides at the heart of all Cisco Internetwork solution. The Cisco or iOS is a Cisco scape to help make information instead companies all over the world more productive. And ultimately, that is the greatest benefit that Internetwork can provide. Thank you for listening.